In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 1200 printer driver in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome. The moment you have opened it, please navigate here at the search bar and type for HP LaserJet 1200 printer driver and click on the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you'd be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the first link under support.hp.com, the official website for HP. Click on it, and in that way you'd be navigated to a new page where you can see the printer series. So here you need to scroll down on the list and locate for this driver universal print driver. Click on this down arrow key and proceed to this HP universal print driver for Windows PCL6. So by that you need to click on this download, and once you have clicked on it, you'll be able to start the downloading process. Okay, kindly wait until it would be done. Okay, and once done, proceed to the top right corner. You can see the download icon, click on it, and you would be able to see this done or downloaded zip file. So click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. The next step that you need to do is, while selecting the zip file, make a right click and click on the cut icon. So once you have copied it, close the window, and here make a right click again, and this time you need to click on paste. So once you have successfully moved the zip file here, you need to make a right click and go with extract all to extract or unzip it, or either use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. So once you have to do that, you would be able to create a new file folder here, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Okay, so here all you need to do is you need to navigate to the start so that we can now start the installation. So let me just cancel this since I have accidentally moved it to the zip file itself. I'm so sorry. So by that, you just have to navigate to the start. But before we proceed, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and please give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would appreciate your support. So by that, make a right click here at the start, scroll up and click on the settings. Okay. So just have to click on the settings or either press Windows key and I key on your keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. Okay, so by that, wait until it would be showing up here in our window before we continue. Okay, so here at the settings, please proceed directly to the left pane and locate with the option called Bluetooth and devices. Please click on this one. And once you've clicked on it, kindly wait until you'd be navigated to this section. Please proceed with printers and scanners. And eventually you can see this option called Add Device. Click on this one. The moment you've clicked on it, wait until you can see or can reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on Add Manually. And by that, you would be able to open this new window. Please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on the next. Click on this down arrow key, and you need to select any of these USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. Click on the next. Once you've set it, go with have disk and click on the browse. Okay. First, has been placed at the desktop. Then we need to navigate there and then scroll down here on the list and locate our extracted file. So double tap that, and then eventually you'll be able to see a list of drivers. Please select any of that and go with OK. And once you've set it, you need to locate for the HP Universal Printing PCL version 7.7.0. Click on the next here and please rename that. In my case, I'll be renaming it into HP LaserJet space 1200. Okay, and then click on the next here, and eventually you can now start the installation. So please wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next. Click on finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed this HP LaserJet 1200 printer driver in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.